Hi guys, welcome to another session in Tableau. In this video, we will see how to download Tableau Desktop. In Google, just enter download Tableau Desktop. So this is the official link provided by Tableau. Just use this link and open this link in a new tab. So here is the place where you can download your Tableau desktop version. See, I'm giving a random mail ID, so I'm not at all giving my official mail ID. Okay, now click on this download free trial. See, if you are using this free trial, it is available for 14 days. That means if you don't have any professional edition, or even if you don't have the product keys. What is this product key means? Tableau will provide a product key. As long as you are having a valid product key, Tableau desktop will work in your machine. Okay, so if you don't have this product key, after 14 days Tableau desktop will not work in your machine. That you need to remember. Now let us start downloading. See, an executable file is downloaded, right? Now the process is started and it start downloading. It may take a while. Let us wait. See, it is downloaded. Just double click on this executable file. Now, see, accept this license agreement. Now start the installation process. Just click on yes. It will take less than 30 seconds. See, in the same process, try downloading Tableau Public. The installation, everything is same. Even you will get that executable file and just start installation process. Okay. Now we will see what is the main difference between this Tableau Public and Tableau Desktop. Okay. Just first let us look at this Tableau Desktop download. See, as I'm using Tableau from earlier versions also, that's why when I downloaded the latest version, see, I'm getting this page. But in general, when you are downloading the Tableau for the first time, it will ask you to register. That means enter your first name, last name, even your country, mail ID. With that details, just register yourself and start using Tableau. So after registration is done, this page will be open. This is called Tableau landing page. So I'm clicking on this. Okay, this you will be redirected to this page. Okay, this is how you download Tableau Desktop. Now let me show you Tableau Public. See, in the same process, just download Tableau Public. See here, what I'm showing you now is Tableau Desktop. See here, if you are getting Tableau hyphen that workbook name, then it is Tableau Desktop. Here see, for Tableau Public, you are getting Tableau Public hyphen that workbook name. Now let me go back to Tableau Desktop. Here, see, I'm showing the major difference between Tableau Public and Tableau Desktop. See, here I'm connecting to data source. And wherever I generated a report. So in Tableau Desktop, I generated this report. See here, when you are trying to connect to the data in Tableau Public, the connectivity is provided to these type of flat files or only to Google Sheet. You cannot connect to any server in Tableau Public. Whereas in Tableau Desktop, let me go back to the landing page. See here, if you observe, you can connect to these many types of servers. Just choose your server and start connecting to the data. But in case of Tableau Public, that see only connectivity is provided to these type of files. Okay, that is one difference. Even now I'm connecting to Excel data. Again I'm taking the same data. Don't worry about what I'm doing here. Just wait. Just build a basic view. See, now I built the same view in both Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public. Now I'm going back to Tableau Desktop. See, I'm in Tableau Desktop. Now I am trying to save this workbook. If you click on this option, this save, see, now Tableau is redirecting you to the space that My Tableau repository under workbooks. You can save your workbook. That means into your machine you can save your Tableau workbook. That means in your machine your Tableau workbook will be existed. But in case of Tableau Public, I'm not saving this. Okay, but let us go back to Tableau Public. If we try to save this Tableau Public, then it is redirecting you to Tableau Public platform. Here enter your mail ID and password. Then it will be published to Tableau Public, where this is available for all the people on the Tableau Public platform. Anyone can access your views, anyone can access your data. So it is an open platform. That is the main difference between Tableau Public and Tableau Desktop. Okay guys, thank you.